So a little instructional video on how to fit the right hand side of the strut tower covers. This is the one with the little L-shaped flap, and that needs to stick right on that last back little bit of metal there, right next to the battery cover. So if you just want to do a little trial dry fit just to make sure that they fit, you should do. There you go. What I like to do is I like to tuck it on the inside of that so it gets a nice tight fit on the metal. So get your isopropanol, give it a good old douse down there, clean it all up with any 3M application. Preparation is key as always. Nice and clean, nice and dry.
Oh, I knocked it a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure that's
right. And then take the tape off. And what we do is, I like to put the back down first, then slide the front, push it into position, nice and flat and straight, and then apply the pressure to stick the tape, and fitted.